Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, what I want to talk about is swimming for pectus and why it is so good. It's such a good exercise if you have pectus. Now, there are a variety of reasons for this. Firstly, when you swim, you're actually using your upper body to pull you through the water, okay? And particularly muscle groups like your lats, your back, okay? And you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, developing the upper body, developing the lats, the back, they're really key muscles for pectus, because when you strengthen your back, it helps pull you into better posture, which is a huge component of improving pectus without surgery. Secondly, developing a big, impressive, lean, muscular upper body is the other key part of this training. Fixing posture, developing an impressive, lean, muscular physique. They're really the two key parts of this. And swimming, you're doing both because you're developing your upper body and you're with a primary focus on the back muscles for posture. So it's really beneficial. Just look at a swimmer's body. Typically, they have great, lean, muscular, aesthetic bodies. And so if you pair that with pectus, it makes the condition look so much less noticeable. Obviously, there's more to it. You want to still be doing weights and really hitting the chest more, and you also want to be stretching and things, but you're getting a lot of benefits with swimming. So it's a great addition to a weight training and stretching regime targeted to pectus. Another benefit of swimming is obviously with pectus, a lot of the time there's more than just the cosmetics, the way you look. There's also a varying degree of heart and lung function impairment. Swimming is a great tool to improve that. Obviously, when you're swimming, you're working your heart and lung function. You're holding your breath, you're doing cardio. It is a form of cardio, so it's amazing for that. And cardio, I talk about it a lot as well, is something everyone with pectus should be doing. So you're ticking the cardio box, you're ticking the posture box, you're ticking the muscular development box. Next, a problem with cardio, like running, is it's like jarring on the body and can create stress on the joints like the knees. With swimming, it's low impact. You're not getting that. So it's a really low injury risk sport, and it's actually good for your recovery. So you're getting that benefit too as a form of cardio that's not going to hinder your weight training. And lastly, and one of my favorite reasons why I like swimming with pectus, is because when you swim, you normally have to take off your shirt. And the biggest thing about overcoming pectus with exercise, with training, is being happy with your body. And if we don't work on our mindset and our perception of self and exposing ourselves to situations where we're taking off our shirt, we're never going to get to the point where we're confident. Regardless of whether you build an amazing physique that makes your pectus less noticeable, you need to be exposed to those elements. And so swimming forces that. And so if you're swimming once a week, you're going to get more comfortable in those situations. And then as your body develops, as your posture straightens, as you get an impressive physique that masks your pectus, you'll just get more and more confident. And eventually your pectus will be fixed because you had the exposure both physically and mentally to overcoming pectus, which is what is truly required if we want to actually fix pectus, aka no longer be lacking confidence and insecure in our bodies, but happy and confident with the way we look and making our pectus as least noticeable as possible. Then it's definitely something we need to be doing. So if you're not already swimming, then I highly encourage you incorporate it into your routine. It's something that I recommend to all my clients to do at least once a week.